Hey guys, this is Game Killer and
SP
Sweet Pie 121. So we're going to review our birds. As you know, we're outside once again. That's too much lighting. The sun is right there. So the birds are
Okay,
in
guys,
there.
I'm going to show you which one is which. So the brownish, whitish one is Kendrick's or Game Killer's, and his name. Yeah, it is. And his name is K-Fam. This one right here is named Skylark or Sky.
The fat one?
This one, I don't know what's going to be named, but it really likes being pet on the tail. Oh, it's bleeding. I just noticed it was bleeding.
It is?
Yeah, that big spot, it's blood.
Ooh.
And then that, the one with the gray feathers, let's call it Night.
Let's call it Bobby.
Bobby. No, that's our uncle's name.
Who's our uncle?
Okay, that one's gonna be called Night. This one's gonna be called Fluffy.
No, Sky.
No, this one's already called Sky.
My hand's getting tired.
Well, let's just call it
The Boss Boy Gaming. There you have it. You said I need more lighting. There you have it. We're outside. You want more lighting? So that's our birds. We have 4 birds. We fed them
mango
mango.
that I failed of making.
Yeah, and I cut myself very bad
Like in the last video.
in the last video.
What happens if I open it?
Don't open it. They're going to fly away. So I'm going inside because I need to focus this thing. As you can see, it's bleeding. The red stuff is my blood. So we're still... You did? So this is the end of the vlog. Bye.